How do I convert a weight of dried chickpeas to volume of cooked? I'm following a recipe that calls for 200 grams of dried chickpeas, soaked overnight. I have two 28 fl. Oz. 796 milliliters cans of chickpeas, packed in water. This is made complicated by two things. You can't easily convert a weight measurement to a volume measurement. What is the density of a chickpea? The recipe wants me to measure dry chickpeas, and I have canned chickpeas. How much of the weight is water? How much of my canned chickpeas should I use?
There is no exact conversion because there are so many different varieties of chickpeas or any bean types for that matter. Their water absorption rate and amount is affected by many things, including how they have been stored, have they been heat treated on import, and what time of year they were grown. My rough rule of thumb for beans in general is 2.5 plus or minus 0.5 times the volume and 2 plus or minus 0.5 the weight after an overnight soak. With our local chickpeas it's 2.2 times the weight after 10 hours at 20 degrees Celsius. On the bench, 200 grams should be around 440 grams of soaked chickpeas. 1 cup of chickpeas is around 240 grams, so just shy of 2 cups of soaked chickpeas should do it. I have just cooked 290 grams of dried chickpeas, which filled 1 cup, in a pressure cooker. After cooking, the drained weight was 616 grams or 2.12 times the dry weight. The volume was 3.75 cups or 3.75 the dried volume.